Welcome back to her channel, the best channel. So let's get into the channel. We are back with another episode, y'all. Black owned series. We are at Yo Mama's Soul Food. This is located at 5332 Antonio Drive, Houston, Texas. If you want to call in, call them at 713-680-8002. Okay, now when I first walk in, it just gave the living room, or like your grandma's house, where they got all the pictures, because grandma got pictures of everybody. Okay, and that's what it gave. Like, you got the TV in the front. It just gave comfort. Of course, they have the nostalgia on the walls, and the food, I must say, was 10 out of 10.
Hi, yes, this is Yo Mama Soul Food, one of the best in Houston. Oh, may I correct that? The best in Houston. Yo Mama Soul Food. Signature oxtail, meatloaf, pork chop, beef steak, 3 sides. Y'all come visit us. The greatest food. Thank you. And can you please follow Darkskin Queen YouTube?
Y'all heard them. Y'all need to get their food fresh, everything clean, smelling good when you first walk in. They have a good plethora of options that you can go from. I got as y'all see, I get the same thing: oxtails, mac and cheese, greens, and I got the yams. Okay, everything was fresh. When they say tenderism on the oxtails, tenderism, that's what I look for. As y'all know, I have braces now, so I can't eat stuff too hard. So everything got to be soft, fresh, flavorful, and good, and that's exactly what you're going to get here at Yo Mama's. Okay, now according to the website, they are open every day but Monday. They're pretty much open Tuesday through Saturday from 11 to 7, 12 to 7 on Saturdays. And on Sundays, they're open from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. The prices are really good, not bad at all. And then I got me a nice Kool-Aid, grape Kool-Aid. If you know, you know. Now, the backstory on how I got here, I was at a store and I asked somebody, what's a good soul food place? I'm in the area. I'm looking for something. I'm not trying to drive too far. And somebody who's from Houston, a Houston native, told me that Yo Mama Soul Food always took care of me since I was a kid. They always looked out. So, they're good people. You're going to get some good food, good hospitality. And they was absolutely right. Everything they said was on point. This is a place I would definitely come back to. Just a homey, chill, laid back feel. I love a place that has some good black art. I mean, good hospitality. You can't beat it. Get there. Nice and sweet. Fell off the bone.